Hello, with this video we want to show you how to make a test using our Ecowaterjet test kit, specially done for hotels. So what is inside this test kit? Here you see our measured plastic bag. We will use it later on for measuring the flow rate. Then here you see our standard installation manual where everything is explained how to install the Ecowaterjet correctly. With this letter you see a detailed description how to make the installation, what I will show you in the following 2 minutes. And then now we come to the important parts. We have 2 Ecowaterjet devices for the showers. One with the type 4 with 40% reduction and one as type 5 with 50% reduction. You see the difference here on the bottom of the Ecowaterjet, and here's the number 4 for 40%, and here is the number 5 for 50%. Just have a look here on this part and you see the difference, number 4 and number 5. Okay. And finally, what we will show you later on, you have also a flow reducer for the hand wash basins, which we use to reduce the flow rate down to 5 liters per minute. We'll show you later on. So now let's prepare everything for the test. And let's start first of all to test and to show what is the actual flow rate without using Ecowaterjet. So just take the shower head, put it inside the measure bag, and here you see we will let the water flow in for 10 seconds. And then we will see on this scale what is the calculated flow rate in liter per minute. Okay, we use our clock to check it, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start for 10 seconds. And stop it. Okay. And now we look on the measure bag, and you see that we have exactly a flow rate of 10 liters per minute at the moment without using Ecowaterjet. Okay, as a next step now we install our Ecowaterjet, and in this case I take the number 4 because our goal is to reach 6 to maximum 7 liters per minute. And with 40% reductions from 10 liters we will reduce the flow rate approximately down to 6 liters. Let's see how it works. Just put it on. Don't forget that also the seal ring is inside. Then fix the shower hose. Then again we take our measure bag and now let's take our clock and now let's again measure it for 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, let's stop it. And now just have a look how much water is inside. And you see now exactly 6 liters per minute, so we have reduced the flow rate by 40%. And you can use this occasion also to check if the water jet stream and the pressure is still in good comfort for your hotel guests. And as you can see here, we have a quite very good water jet and no problem and really good comfort for your guests. Yes, and in a case that you want to reduce more than 40%, then you can use the other type which we have, the type number 5. Do again the same test procedure as I have shown you before, and you will see then that you will get a reduction by 50%. In that case I will not do it.